Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can screen record your presentation on PowerPoint without using any other apps. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to screen record your presentation on PowerPoint without using any other apps, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click the Insert tab at the menu bar right here. And once you've opened the Insert tab, next, I want you to take a look at the right corner of your toolbar, and then you will now be able to see the screen record option right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, this window will appear on the top for your screen. So here on this window, I just want you to click this Select Area option. And after clicking it, I want you to drag the part of your screen that you want to be included on your recording. In my case, I will just drag the whole screen so that my whole screen will be captured on my recording. And after dragging, the record button will now be clickable, so you can now click it. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, your screen recording will now start, so you can now go back to your PowerPoint so you can record your presentation. And by the way guys, in order for you to end the screen recording, you just need to drag your mouse cursor to the middle top of your screen. And then you will now see the recording window again, so you just need to click the stop button to stop the recording. And once the recording was stopped, it will now be automatically added to your PowerPoint. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.